Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to send SMS with Zapier. SMS by Zapier is a free built-in app that lets you send yourself text messages. It's a great way to receive alerts from your Zaps, especially if you are trying to avoid email notifications. For example, maybe your sales team is always on the go, but they have to keep up with leads that come in through Facebook. Some folks are great at keeping up with their Slack and email messages, but there is always someone who leaves them unread. SMS by Zapier lets you send a text to your team whenever a new lead comes in through Facebook lead ads. That ensures your entire team can see and follow up on new leads. And there are some limitations, so make sure to check out SMS by Zapier help doc to see if this is the right tool for you. If you want to automate text on a larger scale, Zapier integrates with a number of bulk SMS apps like Click, Send, or Burst SMS. But if you're looking for a simple text solution for yourself or a handful of people, try SMS by Zapier. Okay, now to do so, first you'll have to go to Zapier and log in into your account. And once you log in, you should go and click on this section right here, Create, then go and click on Zaps. Now, after you create your own Zap, you need now to add the trigger and the action. Now, the trigger is that event that will start our Zap. So here, let me try to send anything here. So here I will search for weather, for example. I will choose, this is the event that I will use. The trigger event exactly is, let's say, today's forecast, for example. This is our trigger. Now let's set the action. The action, I'm gonna make it SMS because I'm going to send myself an SMS. So I will search for SMS, and this is the action that it will take when this event happens. So I'll simply choose the action, send SMS. Then you will have to sign in using the account that you want to send the SMS to, or simply add here your number and confirm the PIN. And once you're all done, you can simply click on publish. So this is how we can actually create the Zap and send SMS. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.